The IT industry is a prolific producer of frameworks, methodologies, tools and techniques. They all have a catchy name, acronym and a certification. But do they really upskill the workforce, or do they provide revenue streams for certification businesses? This is a quick tour and an attempt to put things into a business context. All businesses take in resources. They apply skill, knowledge, intellectual property, judgment. They deliver enhanced goods and services that people want. IT is one of those resources. IT needs to be well managed and in tune with a well managed business. Today, IT is not just an overhead or an optional extra, it's an integral part of business. What IT does is acquire, design, build, operate and maintain software and hardware components. IT keeps the lights on, looks for ways to improve and looks for ways to enhance business performance. Every single day, IT teams are hit with a wide range of problems, incidents, tactical needs and strategic requests. Over time, IT's developed templates, filters and signposts to help direct and prioritize the work, often with varying degrees of success. We use a range of models to simplify, to manage the hardware and software, to develop processes that can deliver better and faster. We coordinate and bring change within the IT function and the wider business and the customer base. We try to get stuff right today and do it better tomorrow. We have standards and best practices covering just about everything, including IT management, service management, change, improvement, security, software tools. They're all built with contributions from government, academia, professional bodies, training businesses, software and hardware vendors and manufacturers. None of them are unique. There are lots of common themes that overlap and interlock. ITIL takes a service view of the world, combining project management and service management. Service strategy identifies the needs that the customer wants to satisfy. Design plans and creates the services. Transition implements them. And operations manages the delivery. Continual improvement refines as we go. Enterprise architecture is all about strategy. It's about defining and changing the organization to meet business objectives. Focus is on business needs, the data, applications required and the infrastructure to enable delivery. TOGA interfaces to service, project and program through the cycle phases and requirements management. MSP is a program management framework for managing a dossier of projects and change initiatives. Program management aligns corporate strategy with change mechanisms and the business as usual environment. MSP picks up the strategic view, decomposes it to a set of sequenced initiatives, and then hands off to project management or process improvement. Prince2 takes a project mandate from corporate management or program management and delivers products. Experienced project managers always slim down the control deliverables to a bare minimum. It's a waterfall method. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. It's good for construction projects, but okay for software engineering. Agile project management has its origins in DSDM. It recognizes the fact that software engineering is not the same as civil engineering or mechanical engineering. Bridges and aircraft aren't meant to be modified. Software is and should be. Focus is on developing understanding and evolving. It's iterative rather than waterfall. Six Sigma is an implementation of J. Edward Deming's Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle for process improvement. It provides best practice framework to guide operational improvement. It fits well with MSP and ITIL. Focuses on the customer and how work gets done. It removes non-value add steps and reduces waste. It's not for software development control. Capability maturity models are popular across a number of practices. The principle is that an organization must evolve through the levels. Each level creates the foundations for the next level. Skipping a level will fail because the processes at the lower level are not embedded. CMMI provides a framework for implementation and integration of other methods. APM body of knowledge is a set of concepts, terms, frameworks and practices that make up the professional domain of project management. It's created with input from academics, practitioners and authors from within the profession. It covers all aspects of projects including governance, people, control, risk, scope, schedule and finance. CIFA has been supported and developed by the BCS over the last 10 years. It's a high-level IT competency framework. We can use it to define roles, identify skill gaps, and determine training, etc. It can help avoid wasting IT training budget on sheep-dipping staff. XP is a set of software engineering and management tools. It focuses on two things: the code base, its quality, maintainability and extensibility, and communications, the bandwidth between the business and technical people. It's an honest set of tools, a truly agile approach. It's concerned with outcomes rather than the way that it's implemented. Scrum is a lightweight planning, prioritization and tracking toolset. It's often packaged and marketed as a methodology. It isn't. It's often implemented at the wrong level. It's not a project management tool. Implemented at project management level leads to project managers micromanaging developers. Synectics is an approach to promoting innovation and creativity. It can compensate for some of the command and control elements that prevent creativity. Synectics centers on respecting colleagues, embracing the seemingly irrelevant, reducing innovations. It gets us away from box ticking, spin, and produces real innovation. We have lots of choice. Things are often poorly understood and badly implemented. Management often reverts to command and control and finds it difficult to trust teams. We need to educate managers, engineers and end users to get the maximum benefit from their investments. We need to avoid fads and build on the rich talent pool that we have. So what can recruiters do? They can help HR and IT managers to identify and develop the best skill sets. They can help IT organizations by cross-skilling and upskilling staff. They can help business management facilitate the work of talented engineers and designers.